Hi there, it's Jim Filippi with the Filippi Law Firm. Today we're going to talk about the difference between an estate plan and a will. So you'd be surprised how often I hear there being confusion between an estate plan and a will. And it's okay, primarily because nobody's ever given us any kind of education on this subject. There's no class in high school or college on wills and estates. The only class I'm aware of is in law school, and unless you're going to law school, you probably haven't been formally educated on what a will or an estate plan is. And the only opportunity you really have is when you speak with someone like myself, or you have the opportunity to watch a video such as this and someone gives you that information. So an estate plan includes a will, so it's not something that's separate. A comprehensive estate plan is going to include a will. And when you talk about an estate plan, we're talking about planning for not only what happens when you die, because obviously that's important, but we're talking about also what happens when you're still alive and something terrible has happened. You're incapacitated and you're no longer able to manage your own affairs. So for a comprehensive estate plan, we're going to address all of those issues, both after death and before, when you're still alive. Both are equally important. And when we talk about the portion dealing with your death, we're talking about usually a living trust and a will that helps support that trust. That's a topic we could talk about on another video, but as far as handling your affairs when you're still alive and you're not able to manage those because you're incapacitated either through illness or injury, and I think a lot of people think of illness is the only way we're going to become incapacitated, and that only is going to happen when we're in our 70s and 80s. That's not true. There's plenty of people that are young, in their 20s and up, that are involved in accidents. Say on your car, you fall off your bike, you're on a hike, you trip and hit your head. There's all kinds of ways that we can become injured and be incapacitated to some degree. And what we look to do is avoid that need for conservatorship. And we want to make sure that we address both your financial needs and your day-to-day care, your health needs. And through estate planning, we can draft a power of attorney for your financial needs, an advanced healthcare directive for your medical needs. And both of those documents give people the authority, well, not people, those people that you've designated, that you trust to handle your affairs. You've given them the authority to handle your affairs truly as if they are you. And so that when you recover, you're not going to walk into your house, which is going through a foreclosure or debt collection notices, a repossession of your car. You're not going to have to deal with that because someone was there to manage your affairs while you were recovering from whatever's happened to you. And for those reasons, that's why an estate plan that's comprehensive is important, and not just having a will. And that confusion and thinking that I need to have just one or the other is hopefully been dispelled through this video. Having a full comprehensive estate plan is truly what we all need. So an estate plan covers everything that could possibly happen to you, whether it's death or incapacity. A will only will cover what happens when you die, and it only gives instructions to the court what to do with your estate after you've passed. So it only covers one small portion of your entire estate.